like the analysis is finished. Let's go ahead and close that. Let's take a look at some of those results here. The results, once you close the editor, results load back into Femap. You can see all the different time steps are loaded back in here, so you can see that it ran quite a few. I could double click on these to look at the individual results. I also like to use the multi-set animation. If I do a right click, I could do a multi-set animate. And you can actually see the stress waves propagating through that aluminum tube, and some of those stress waves in the wall as well. And you can notice here on the left-hand side that the time step that the solver calculated for us was about 5e minus 5. If I were to further refine this analysis, I would maybe start thinking about things like maybe adding a nonlinear material model, maybe going back into my custom tool and specifying a different T delta, a different time step, to see how that would have impacted analysis results. T total is something that you could also adjust as well, the total duration and impact. I think I've noticed when this was running that at the very end of the analysis, there's quite a bit of separation, quite a bit of rebound distance between the aluminum tube and the rigid wall. There's probably no need for it to quite run out that far, so I might cut back on the duration time as well. Be able to analyze a bunch of different nonlinear effects at the same time, the complex material models, and be able to use the full sliding contact between all the parts in the assembly. Those type of results provide pretty high level assurance going into mandatory FDA testing. At this point, I would like to turn it back over to Julia.